to read aloud any screenshot for you on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your Android device. In Settings, scroll down and search for System in here. After you find System, simply click on System. After that, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, click on Accessibility at the top. Then click on Talkback. After you click on Talkback, in here, turn on Talkback shortcut. Click on it and then press on Allow in here. As you can see in my case, holding both the volume button turns on Talkback. Now open Photo, which is your screenshot, and then I'm gonna apply the shortcut, which is holding down both the volume button and press on Turn On. After that, it will read aloud any screenshot for you. This is how to read aloud any screenshot for you on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.